Hi, once again this is Kaisar from Ninza. Welcome back with another tutorial video after a long time because nowadays I become very busy with my daily work, but I'm still trying very hard to make some time for creating video for you. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel so that you never miss any video from my channel. I will be keep posting useful tutorial videos related to digital marketing and web development and SEO almost every week. So in today's video, I will talk about the performance of a website. It is very crucial to rank your website in search engine. Search engine always prefer the website has higher performance. Today I will show you everything in live. Look about this website in Pagespeed Insights. It shows that the performance in mobile is only 18, which is very poor, and in desktop it is 74, that is satisfactory. But after applying my trick, I have achieved 73 performance in mobile, but it will develop day by day because I have just optimized this website. It may take 5 to 7 days to optimize completely. And in the desktop, it is 100. That is wow and great. Look, previously in desktop it was 74 and it was 18 in mobile, and now in desktop it is 100 and in mobile it is 73. Now I will show you live with another video, another website, and this is the website actually. So I want to check the current status of this website. As I am checking it on live, so I am not skipping anything, and I will show you the free and effective method. I am just waiting to get the report here. It may take 2 or 3 minutes to load the report from Pagespeed Insights. Look here, the performance in mobile is 35 and in desktop it is 76, as the user is using mobile devices more, so you have to emphasize the performance on mobile device as well as the desktop. So now I am going to show you how I achieve 100 in desktop and 73 in mobile devices. So log into the dashboard of your website, and as this is a WordPress website, navigate to plugins and click add new plugin. Then select upload plugin and choose file. Here select the WP Rocket and click install now. I will use WP Rocket plugin, that is a awesome plugin, and I will use the paid version. If you want the plugin that I am using here, then simply write a comment in the video and I will share this plugin with you. After installing, just click activate the plugin. Alright, the plugin has been activated and you have to check is there any caching plugin already installed in this site or not. There is no plugin installed here for caching. So navigate to the setting of WP Rocket. and click the cross button here and click here also and select no thanks here. Look here, the plugin is activated and the license expiration date is 1st January 2030 and the license is infinite. Check the pricing of WP Rocket plugins. Here the infinite version price is $224 right now, but the regular price is $299 and it includes 1 year of support and updates. Alright, here it is valid till 2030. Okay, there are a lot of settings here, but for making things easy, I have made a files for you. If you want the setting files, then again just write a comment on the video. I will share the setting file with you. Navigate to Tools and Import Setting, choose File and select the setting file. I will provide you this file once you subscribe my channel and write a comment. Now click Upload File and Import Settings. Now everything is fine. Settings saved, settings imported and saved. Now navigate to plugins and add new plugin and search for OMCF, and this is the plugin needed for optimizing your website more. Now click install now. This plugin actually cached the Google fonts. Now click activate. There is a little settings here, nothing to worry, and click on settings. Now find out clear empty cache directory and select refresh cache and maintain setting, and finally click save and optimize. You just need to follow what I am doing. And finally in WP Rocket, select clear and preload cache to refresh everything. After doing this, I will check the speed of this page again. So open Pagespeed inside to a new tab and clicking the URL and select Analyze. First check if any changes with this website or not. Look, the website is same. There is no changes here. But here, wait for the performance report. As I am showing everything live, so I am not skipping anything. If you want to hire me for doing any digital marketing and SEO related work or web development, then you can contact with me. You will find my contact details just below in the video description. Look here, the performance in mobile is 69, which was 35 before, so it has accelerated around 2 times, and the desktop performance was 76. Look here, the desktop performance is 91. As I have just optimized this, now it will increase more day by day because it may take 5 to 7 days to optimize completely the settings and everything, and then you can see that the speed in mobile devices become near to 100 as well as the desktop. So this is for today. If you like my video, just click the like button, and if you think this is useful, you may share with your friends. Thank you.